Hello, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your private jet chartered business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. Not only that, you can also add your customer detail on Google Sheet automatically. If you want to learn how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your private jet chartered business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, they have welcomed me to the Skylux jet, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: browse option, get quote and chartered booking. I'm going to select get quote. As soon as I have selected get quote, they have provided me quotation of their jet flight, and with that they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. I'm going to select menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time I will select chartered booking. To confirm my booking, they want few details like my name. After name, they want company name. Now they want to know about the route. After that, they want to know about the dates. After date, they want to know about the email address. I will enter that. After providing each and every detail, they have provided me with a message which says you will receive a chartered agreement plus payment link instantly. All booking are secure with a 20% deposit. And with that also they have provided me 2 action button: talk to support and menu. Not only that, my data is automatically filled to my Google Sheet as well. As you can see, name, company name, route, date, email and mobile number. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better. Not only that, they have filled my data to Google Sheet automatically. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for private jet, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your private jet chartered business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. As soon as my customer enter a message, I will send them a welcome message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button, connect with my flow start, and I'm going to enter my message which says, "Welcome to Skylux Jet, your private sky on demand. We help you chartered luxury jet in minute with transparent prices, real-time availability, and world-class service. How can we assist you today?" And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, browse option, get code, and chartered booking. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with browse option. To give information about the options that we provide, I'm going to drag and drop text button, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message like this, where I have provided different option, and with that I have provided a link in which they include photos, amenities, and range map. And with that I have provided 2 action button, talk to support and menu. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to put a separate message for talk to support. Need immediate help or special arrangement? Text us your query. Our concerned team respond within 15 minutes and available 24/7. Now let's move to our second action button, which is get quote. To give quotation, I'm again going to drag and drop text button, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message. Here we go, where I have provided general pricing for different jet option. And with that, I have also provided few details like all flight include premium crew, ground handling, flight dinner, and lounge access. With that also, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support. Now let's move to our third action button, which is chartered booking. To confirm booking, I need to ask few questions from my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and over here I'm going to enter my message which says, "To reserve your jet, kindly share your full name." I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. After full name, I want to know about company name. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and enter my message. Kindly share company name if corporate. I'm going to select my contact custom field as company and my format as any. After that, I want to know about route they are going to travel. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and enter my message. Kindly share route. I'm going to select my contact custom field as destination and my format as any. After route, I'm going to ask about date they want to travel. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and connect with my previous question. Kindly share date. I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and my format as any. After date, last thing I want to know is about email. I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Kindly share email. I'm going to select my contact custom field as email and my format as any. Now after getting each and every information, I want to fill these information on my Google Sheet. For that, I'm going to connect my question with API request. And over here, I'm going to paste my webhook URL. To get webhook URL, you need to open all Pabbly app page and here you need to click on Pabbly Connect. As soon as you will select Pabbly Connect, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here to create a new workflow, you need to click on Create Workflow button and name your workflow. Like this, and I'm going to click on Create button. As you can see, there are two steps, trigger and action. As soon as trigger is entered, action will be performed. Now I'm going to choose my trigger app as Pabbly Chartflow as we are working on Pabbly Chartflow. As soon as I have chosen my app, now I need to choose my trigger event, which I'm going to select as new message received. As soon as you will select your trigger event, the webhook URL will be created. I'm going to copy this webhook URL and after that I'm going to paste it over here. Now I'm going to select my API request as post. I'm going to enter my key that I want to fill on my Google Sheet, like name, company name, root, date, email and phone number. I'm going to click on test and save my API request. As you can see, I got a message that API request successful. That means there is no error. Now I'm going to set my action. For action as well, I'm going to choose my app. As I want to fill my data on Google Sheet, I will choose my app as Google Sheet. After that, I'm going to select my action event as new row. Now I'm going to connect my Google Sheet. There is two options, add new connection and select existing connection. I'm going to add new connection and sign in with Google. As you can see, my connection is successfully made. Now I'm going to select my spreadsheet in which I want to fill my data. As I want to fill my data on private jet chartered, I will select that. After that, I'm going to map my data like name, company, route, date, email and mobile number. Mapping will help to automatically fill your data on Google Sheet as soon as your customer will fill that data on WhatsApp, and that too without any manual effort. Now I'm going to save and send test request. This will save the value you fill above and will send data to the selected app for processing. A response will be received back once the process is completed. As you can see, I got the response. Now I will move back to my Pabbly Chartflow. Now I'm going to send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have entered that you will receive a chartered agreement and payment link instantly. All booking are secure with a 20% deposit. And with that, I have provided two action button, talk to support and menu. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. As I have told you earlier that if someone select this menu button, they will get initial message. And I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. As you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for private jet chartered business. Not only that, our data are automatically going to be filled on Google Sheet as well. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time.
Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chartflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.